let me make this very clear. Do you want to understand purpose right now? Everybody in this room will walk out of here knowing what purpose is, what I'm about to drop on you right now. When Jesus turned 12 years old, his parents took him to Passover, and they somehow lost sight of Jesus. When they went to go find him, these are the words that came out of his mouth. The words were, "Wist ye not that I should be about my Father's business?" Jesus knew from day one what his purpose was in life. We're teaching our children that purpose is being financially secure and obtaining the American dream. Go to the Garden of Gethsemane. When Jesus is in the Garden of Gethsemane and he's trying to even figure out, should I even go forward with the mission for my life? Should I even go forward? Did he not ask the question? He says, if it's possible, let's not water this thing down. He was trying to figure out, is this thing worth it? Jesus felt that way. And who did he go to? He went to his Father. And then, what were his words? Father, if it is possible, take this cup from me. But notice who he's dealing with. He ain't dealing with his parents. He's not talking to his pastor. He's saying, Father, 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 Father. See, we've been taught all our lives, he loves me. He died for me. He came down here for me. Yes, he did. But what got Jesus through in life was not you. Now that upset somebody in here. Jesus loves me. Yes, he loves you. Yes, he loves you. He loves you so much. But know this. What got him through was not his love for you. But let's be real for a minute. Now I'm an ex porn addict. Okay? So let's just take off all the masks right now. Just be honest in here. Now all of us have something in our lives that we're ashamed of. All of us have come out of something. But know this, can you imagine being Jesus, looking 2,000 years in advance, looking at my life, looking at your life, and using that as motivation to go forward? Forward. And see, I'm trying to make a bigger point here. Most of us, our lives in terms of purpose are driven by other people. Jesus was not driven by people. What was he driven by? John 8, verse 29. Here it goes. Are y'all ready? What drove Jesus? For I always do those things that please him. That please him. That please him. Ain't enough to come in here and just enjoy the sermon. Ain't enough just to come in here and lift holy hands. Ain't enough to sing in a praise team. Ain't enough to shout and enjoy church and do nothing when you leave. What we've got to find out is, what is it that I'm here for? The first thing you need to discover is you live your life to please him. So how do I discover what I'm here for? First, you got to talk to him. You got to get in the Word. Jesus' steady line of connection was his Father. Many of us associate purpose with a profession. I'm a physician, I'm a lawyer, I'm a pastor. My purpose is not to be a pastor. Because if I lose my job, does that mean I've lost my purpose? My purpose is not to preach. Because if God takes my voice, does that mean I no longer have any value? Your purpose is not just to sing. Because if you can't sing no more, then what? We have one purpose in life. That's to obey him. Simple as this. When God tells you to do something, obey that. And then, as God is leading you in obedience, he will reveal other things.